So I am currently traveling in this train. So that's why there's going to be a lot of background noise and all that. But I really wanted to reflect on today's day and certain things happened. Like I sort of almost cried in the classroom because of the fact that I was feeling very low at the bottom and I was feeling ugly and not pretty and just have facing self-esteem issues. And while I was facing these issues, the next problem was I was just feeling a lot of guilt or someone that I've wronged in extreme past, like last year. So I really treated them harshly. They did not deserve that. And the worst thing is that actually had caused irreparable damage to them. Like, I wish I could go back and change the things that happened, but the damage was already done. And I feel so much guilt and shame to even talk about it and think about it. I just feel like I don't know honestly. I'm living in the here and I feel the most worst person, the most horrible person ever. I remember texting the person I had texted then urge to text that person again. And I texted the person and the person was there and I told the person that I know you must hate me a lot and I hate myself more for it. And the person was literally like, I either love people, I wish them well, or they're irrelevant in my life. I'm just to find you one of the closest people in my life. And for them right now I'm irrelevant and actually basically because my actions, they even said that actions speak louder than the words. So guilt is honestly so much in my mind currently. I'm also feeling it like, what was I thinking? Why was I impulsive? Why did I listen? So many things that go on within my mind, and I'm so angry. I'm the villain in their story, and I deserve to be the villain, rightfully so. And I was literally having thoughts of like killing myself, and I was feeling that way. But then I was like, maybe I'm winning their show, but I could see doing someone else's. Like I thought about my mom and my dad and my sibling and all those people, and I was like, you know what? I don't know, but maybe I should live for the people around me. I honestly don't know how to deal with this guilt or change. It would probably take years to make out of this situation. It would take me years to actually come on terms with the fact that this is what I've done. Have all irreparable damage. I cannot change it. I cannot go in the past. I cannot do anything else. So I have to face these things right now. And the guilt and the shame eats me up. It literally happens when I'm taking a bath and I'm like, I did this. And no amount of words is going to change that. But what I do think is that what I can do right now, what isn't within my control, is that I can come on terms with it. I can process these emotions and feelings. And so guilt is actually a good thing. Guilt is telling me that I shouldn't do it again. I shouldn't hurt a person like that again. I should be a better person next time. So what guilt and shame and hope to use that in a much more productive manner. And I'm going to make sure that no matter what happens in my life, I don't want to repeat this thing again. I don't cause damage or I don't hurt someone else the way I hurt that person. So I just hope that, if you're going through a situation where if you are feeling immense guilt and shame for hurting somebody in your past or for doing something that you shouldn't have done, the only message I can have for you is truly the only thing we can control is what is within our hands right now, and that is the present as well as the future. So just make sure you learn from those mistakes, you gain some important lessons from them, and you make the changes in the behavior, and you stop treating people like that and just become better person. And most importantly, come on terms with the guilt and the shame. That's the message. Yeah.